Charles' law is another special case of the ideal gas law, where the pressure is held constant and the number of moles of the gas is also constant. So therefore we can write the ideal gas law in this form, and therefore this expression is constant and the volume is proportional to the temperature, which is graphically represented by this linear relationship. So for example, if we apply a heat source to increase the temperature of the gas, so the particles bump into each other in a container more often, and if we leave this piston free to move up and down, then the gas effectively expands and the volume increases. So therefore, the pressure can remain constant in this case. And really have a think about this.